Hello, this is Binary Space with a large channel update or change. I'm changing the upload schedule for my videos substantially, and also I'm going to upload other content more than just the suit project. Right off the bat, you've probably noticed that someone is speaking in this video. This is something that I've always wanted to do from the beginning but wasn't able to. Now, however, I'm fully equipped to add voiceovers to explain things and not have to use the classic white text, so look forward to that. Now, I've been talking to some friends, and several have said that the videos could be longer, and I should start making videos not only on the suit project, but also some of the other crazy projects I'm working on, such as putting LED lighting on the ceiling of my room, making a custom racing quad, and namely, working with a friend on a cosplay costume of the Emil A239 suit from Halo. All that to say, the schedule for this suit project videos will change from every Tuesday night to every other Saturday at around 5 to 6 EST, so basically twice a month. I'm most certainly not finished with that project and plan to have a working one, all going according to plan, by the end of summer break. But that change, from 4 times a month to twice a month, allows me to upload a project video of something new I've done, such as the previously stated quadcopter, Halo suit, etc. I will then have much more time to make longer, less boring videos for the suit project, as I fully understand that watching 2 to 4 minutes of sped up 3D modeling is not the most entertaining thing to watch, especially when you don't know what's going on. So in summary, maybe I'll upload another video of another project throughout this week, and not this, but next Saturday, the 19th, a video with the suit project will be going up between 5 to 6 EST. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, Binary Space.